Hello guys, how you doing, man? Welcome to my channel, and today we are happy because Bitcoin is doing exactly as we predicted, guys. Okay, so I believe you're already enjoying your profits, okay, because we took a trade yesterday, and exactly as we predicted. You can see we made a prediction. I released a video yesterday and telling us that Bitcoin will be pulling back to the 40,000, 39,000 range, and which is exactly what it's doing. Okay, so we are expecting it to still go the way we predicted. You can see it's following the way we predicted. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we'll be expecting, and also I'm going to tell you one more coin that I believe you should take serious this time, okay, because I see a potential move coming. Okay, so now as we forecasted, as we made it clear to you guys, that we are expecting the C wave. Okay, we are expecting the C wave. Let me put a label so you can understand what we are doing. This is A, this is B. We are expecting the C wave. Okay, so and after this C wave is completed, before we now see the next bull market. All right, so this the C wave we're expecting. Now everything is playing out the way we expected it. The market is still retracing, and for your information, I think this is just, if you take a look at this RSI, you can see it's already breaking from this resistance, so probably you might see a very sharp impulse coming down very soon. Okay, you see it has been very sluggish. So, but the next wave after now will be very, very sharp. So this is our target. Okay, so somebody's asking, I'm already in profit, is it the best time for sale? I say no. You see, the professionals, the whales, they understand the power of waiting, having patience with markets. Okay, so if you want to be profitable in this space, you got to have this passion. Okay, you got to develop your mind to endure hardness, because it's not always easy. Like you seeing fluctuation of the market, you've been in 50,000 profits and it retraces back to 25 to 10,000 and goes. So all those swings are not easily handled in our mind, but knowing that they will occur and being resilient is one of the best things that can happen to you in this industry. All right, so now what are we still expecting? Yeah, we are still very much expecting that Bitcoin will definitely come to this level. Okay, come to this level. But the only thing that might happen, is you thinking about, is a probability anyway. So it's still a factor. This is maybe whatever, like head and shoulder stuff that might come here and come up. But now this is like 20% likely to occur, which is not a pass mark. Okay, because this stuff here has nullified this head and shoulder. All right, so it has nullified it already. So we don't trade all these things. So I'm just like telling you all that I see from the market. I'm just being honest, telling you all that I see from the market, because as I'm looking at this, I'm seeing a lot of things that is going on. So the only thing I advise everyone that is on this trade now to do is to put in your secure your profit. Okay, put in your profit. As the market establishes a resistance here, you can put your secure profits here. So as it goes lower again, you see, this is how we entered the markets here. I entered here. We entered the markets here. So as the market does this, we put our secure profits here. So as the market does this again, you bring it down here. So as you keep going down, you keep following the market. Now, if you are using a trading stop, you can calculate it and be trading behind the markets rather. All right. So because if you are trading behind the market, it will help you to stay profitable. Okay, it will help you to stay profitable, because in this industry, nothing is certain. All right, so that is just by the way. Bitcoin is still as we expected. We might see a little spike, but it's coming down. The only thing we might see here now is after they complete this, it might spike like this, and down we go, okay, which is likely possible. It might spike and come down again, okay, so that is possible. All right, so every other one, they are still following suit, okay. This is Ethereum is still following Bitcoin, okay. As Bitcoin makes the move, Ethereum makes the same move. So what are we still expecting? We're expecting Ethereum at least to touch this line, okay. At least we should start considering alternatives when Ethereum has cleared this, okay. We're expecting it to test this. So based on the pattern it forms, if we see enough pattern that tells us that Ethereum might be going up, then we can ride from here. All right, so we're expecting it to clear this pattern before we can think of anything that we'll do. Now, last video, I think 2 days ago, I made clear to you guys that SVG is a good buy, okay? SVG is a good buy, and many guys, we are like, oh, that's lovely. Let me fill my bag with it. You can see it's already breaking out, guys. It's already breaking out. And one characteristic of SVG is that whenever it sets, it sets. Whenever SVG is set, it sets. Meaning it goes parabolic. Meaning it goes very, very aggressive. Okay? So you should not neglect this coin, guys. You should not neglect this coin, because despite it hasn't done much all this while. Alright? Because it's not over. It's not over. I think it's set now to blow. It's set to blow. So all this we see here is nothing but a correction taking place. All right. So now if you take a look from the weekly chart, you can see that the market just corrected itself. I think was it not SVG US dollars? The market just corrected itself, and now it's set to blow. Okay. You can see it's more clear looking at SVG USD. Okay, so we join the trend from here, and you can see, so what we are seeing now is this. Okay, expect this to happen, guys. Expect this to happen. So expect this to happen, guys, which is coming. All right, guys, so that's one coin I just want you guys to also consider in this season, that SVG is set to blow, and if you like it, you have some spare cash, you can, why not, get some of SVG, but don't forget to appreciate as you back in your profit. All right, okay, so guys, so all eyes on Bitcoin, guys, because this is a potential gains for all of us. And if you're ready to learn how to trade margins, you know, as we do, we trade margins, we make money as the market is going down, and also make money as the market is going up. Why not sign up on the Bybit using the link below, or the Binance and the Binance Future? Okay, so you can sign up on any of them, and if you want to learn exactly how to trade it, you can also contact me, and I'll be glad to help you and show you how to trade this both sides of the market. Okay, it's a good one, because we trade this on a daily basis to increase our holdings, our Bitcoin holdings. Okay, so bear in mind of this. Now, before I close this video, I end this video, I told you last time that we are expecting Cardano to correct itself. Okay, we're expecting Cardano to correct, to complete that wave, which actually it happens. So it was here. We're expecting, this is A, B, C. Okay, so what are we expecting now? We're expecting this to show us either it's going up or it's coming down. So based on the pattern we'll see here, all right, so we'll now decide the next action to take. Okay, but this is already a full correction. Okay, so the way I'm looking at it, you see I have a very, very, very high potential of going up. All right, see I have a very high potential of going up. So I think this is a time for you to consider if you want to have more of the Cardano added to your portfolio, because it's really looking good. It's looking good, okay? Because all these things might be like running flat. So what we're expecting here is, let's see, make an impulse, let it correct itself, and as it's breaking that, filling your tank, because it's going to the moon or beyond the moon. All right, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it to your friend as I see you tomorrow. Thank you.